Good day, students. Welcome to mathgotserved.com. In this clip, we're going to be looking at properties of quadrilaterals. We're going to be looking at parallelograms that are rectangles. Question 4 reads, in parallelogram ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect at E. Which statement proves ABCD is a rectangle? All right, to get us started, we're going to take a look at our website, mathgotserved.com. We're going to go to the geometry section. What we're looking at is basically what the properties of rectangles are. All right, so if we go to our geometry vocab collection to the quadrilateral section, you scroll down here. All right, so we know what parallelograms are. They're basically quadrilaterals where opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Okay, we can break them down further into rhombuses, squares, and rectangles. So let's take a look at rhombuses first. Just a side note, I want you to notice what's happening with the diagonals. All right, for all rhombuses, the diagonals intersect at 90 degrees, and the diagonals also bisect the vertex angles. Okay, but when it comes to rectangles, notice we don't have that condition. All right, the diagonals do not intersect at 90 degrees for all rectangles, only a special case of rectangles, which are squares, and they do not bisect the vertex angles. All right, so let's take a look at what the properties of rectangles are. So all rectangles are parallelograms. Okay, opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. All four angles are congruent. They're all 90 degrees. So that's indicated in item 5. All four angles are right angles, 90 degrees. Adjacent angles are supplementary, which means they add up to 180. Diagonals bisect one another, and the diagonals are congruent. All right. Notice there's nothing indicating here that the diagonals are perpendicular or they bisect the vertex angles. But if you take a look at a square scenario, you have to remember that every square is a rectangle. Okay, so the square inherits all the properties of the rectangles, but has its own unique properties. It's basically like an intersection of a rhombus and a rectangle. All right, which is that you notice that the diagonals bisect each other, and the diagonals the diagonals intersect at 90 degrees. They're perpendicular. They do bisect each other like a rectangle does, and then they also bisect the vertex angles into 45 degrees. All right, with that in mind, let's go back to the question. So now what we're going to do is give ourselves a visual, all right, to make sure we get everything correct. We're going to draw a parallelogram that looks like a rectangle, and then put in the labels. So it's parallelogram A, B, C, D. All right, so you have parallelogram A, B, C, D, and then you have the diagonals AC and BD. They intersect at point E. So let's look at the options that we have here. Option number 1. Segment AC and BD are congruent. So AC and BD, these are the diagonals. Okay, they are congruent. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is correct. That is one of the properties of rectangles, which is that the diagonals are congruent. So this is a check right here. Okay. So for all rectangles, diagonals are congruent. Number 2, AB is perpendicular to BD. AB is perpendicular to BD. Well, that's saying that well, we know first of all that all the angles of a rectangle are right angles. So this is 90, 90, 90. Okay. So what this is, option B is saying is that this little angle right here, AB and BD, this is also 90 degrees. That's absolutely false. Okay, the entire combination of these two angles form 90 degrees. So one of the parts cannot be equal to the sum of the two. So this does not apply to a rectangle. It doesn't even apply to any of the quadrilaterals. All right, because the sum of the two angles is what equals 90 degrees, not one of them. All right, and then next one, AC. AC, this diagonal right here, is perpendicular to BD, basically claiming that the diagonals are perpendicular. That this is 90 degrees. The answer to that, that's false. AC and BD being perpendicular diagonals apply to just rhombuses and what? Rhombuses and squares. Okay? Perpendiculars being diagonals being perpendicular does not prove that a quadrilateral, that a parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay? Next one, AC bisects BCD. AC, that's this diagonal, bisects BCD, basically claiming that this angle right here and this angle are congruent. The answer is absolutely false. Okay? That is not a property of rectangles. Guess what? That property, a diagonal bisecting a vertex angle, the parallelogram that property applies to are rhombuses again and squares. All right, those are the only cases where the diagonals bisect the vertex angles. Okay, so there you have it. The only option that proves that this is a rectangle is option 1, because for all rectangles, the diagonals are always congruent. So AC is congruent to BD. So the answer to option number 4, is option number 1. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this presentation. Don't forget to help support our channel. Just post a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what you think about this presentation, how your day is going, or how you feel about the upcoming test. Tons of support resources can be found at mathgotserved.com, or the links in the description below. You can just scan the QR code to gain access to all the tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.